Hello everyone. The DJI Mic Mini is one of the best and most portable mics available out there in the market. It's tiny and sounds incredible. But if you have iPhone 14, 13 or earlier models, your phones have Lightning port. The DJI Mic Mini receiver comes with USB Type-C. Do you have to buy $40 actual DJI adapter or you need to change your iPhone? Nope, you don't need to. Today we are looking at Grenaro USB-C to Lightning OTG adapter. This tiny affordable accessory allows your DJI Mic Mini to plug directly into your Lightning iPhone for a pro level audio. Let's see if it works as well as the official one. It's incredibly small and feels very solid. An aluminum alloy shell, which is a great for durability. It features a male lightning connector on one side and USB-C female port on other side. It's designed specifically for seamless conversion, making it perfect for vloggers using older iPhones. There are no apps to download, no settings to change. It's a pure plug and play setup. To test the adapter, I downloaded DJI Mimo app. Take DJI Mic Mini receiver and plug the USB-C end into a Grenaro adapter. Plug the lightning end into your iPhone. The moment I plugged in, the phone detected DJI mic receiver and you can observe the green LED now become solid. And even I can go to the settings of DJI Mic Mini receiver and I can change certain settings related to this receiver and the mics attached to this receiver. Let me know if you need another full video to walk through these settings. Right now, you are listening to the DJI Mic Mini connected via the Grenaro adapter to my iPhone. The earlier audio which you heard while I was setting up Grenaro adapter to the iPhone was through my iPhone inbuilt mics. Official DJI Mic Mini mobile phone adapter costs around 4,000 Indian rupees, which is an equivalent to 44 US dollars. Main thing is it's not available in India. The Grenaro adapter costs me 200 Indian rupees, which is an equivalent to $2. And even I tried other adapters mentioned in Amazon India website. Even though it says it supports data transfer, it didn't work with DJI Mic Mini receiver. One more option I found through internet is Moco. They clearly mentioned Moco for DJI Mic Mini USB-C to Lightning adapter. If anyone tried it, please let me know in the comments whether it supports DJI Mic Mini or not. Why get this instead of others? First thing is price. It's much more budget friendly than the official branded options. And coming to the stability, and we tested that by using the audio as well. And coming to the convenience, it's compact, lightweight. I think it's weighing around 2 grams and doesn't add bulk to the iPhone setup. It is perfect for iPhone 14, 13, 12 and even older models, which gives old phones new life as a professional vlogging camera. It brings the convenience of the new tech to your old phone. I have left the link in the description below so you can check it out. I'm not earning any commissions out of these products. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, are you still rocking with your Lightning iPhones or you have upgraded your iPhones which supports USB-C. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.